After 11 days of suspense, the BJP has announced first-time MLA Rekha Gupta as its pick to steer the Delhi government. But in addition, 6 others are expected to take oath. BJP leaders Parvesh Verma, Kapil Mishra, Manjinder Singh Sirsa, Ravindra Raj, Ashish Sood are likely to take oath along with Pankaj Singh as cabinet ministers in Delhi today as per our sources. Now notably, Parvesh Verma's name was doing the rounds as the BJP's choice for the Chief Minister of Delhi. He's actually BJP's jarred face in the capital, and as you know, he defeated Arvind Kejriwal from the New Delhi seat in these elections. Now, besides Kapil Mishra, Ashish Sood, Pankaj Singh, Ravindra Raj and Manjinder Singh Sirsa also won from Karawal Nagar, Janakpuri, Vikaspuri, Bhavana and Rajouri Garden seats respectively. Our sources have informed NDTV that 6 others will be taking the oath of office along with Rekha Gupta in a few hours. My colleague Aishwarya has been tracking the finer details for us. He joins us live from the Ram Leela ground at the moment. Aishwarya, take us through the latest developments.
Well, it's the grand day of oath-taking ceremony of the new Chief Minister of Delhi, and the stage is all set as the Ram Leela Maidan today would be witnessing the historic swearing-in ceremony with 30,000 plus attendees. Yesterday, after the Legislative Party meeting, is what decided by the Bharatiya Janata Party High Command that Rekha Gupta would be the next Chief Minister of Delhi. And right now, just outside the Ram Leela ground where I'm standing, there are as many as posters that I can see of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to BJP President JP Nadda, and it is Viksit Delhi Shapath Samaroh is something that is written on each and every poster to welcome the dignitaries who had been invited for this mega swearing-in ceremony. We've been told that from gig-in workers to the auto rickshaw drivers to cab drivers and also the Jhuggi Pradhans, celebrities, industrialists, spiritual leaders, all had been invited to this mega swearing-in ceremony that will take place at around 12 noon at Ram Leela ground. And we have also been informed that the chief ministers and deputy chief ministers from NDA-led states will also be arriving to witness the historic ceremony as Bharatiya Janata Party returns after 27 years in Delhi. Apart from Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, it would be 6 other cabinet ministers who would be taking oath today at Ram Leela ground as well. A historic day indeed for the Bharatiya Janata Party in the national capital.
Well, thank you for taking us through the preps for the BJP's grand ceremony and briefing us with the latest developments. We will, of course, touch base with you regularly, but Delhi's Chief Minister, the BJP's Rekha Gupta, will take oath today with 6 cabinet colleagues, as Aishwarya is reporting from the Ram Leela Maidan. The BJP, which is coming back to power in the national capital after 26 years, has planned this grand ceremony at the iconic Ram Leela grounds. As Aishwarya has just mentioned, the mega event will be attended by chief ministers and deputy chief ministers of 20 states. BJP leaders and workers from other states who campaigned in the Delhi elections as well will be present. And over about 50 film stars and industrialists are also expected to attend. So are diplomats of major countries. They have been invited to for the oath-taking ceremony that's expected to take place in a few hours. This is BJP's big comeback. So they have planned a grand ceremony as BJP's Rekha Gupta will take oath today with 6 cabinet colleagues. In fact, as Aishwarya is reporting, our sources have said Parvesh Verma, Ashish Sood, Manjinder Sirsa, Ravindra Singh, Kapil Mishra and Pankaj Singh are likely to take oath along with the Chief Minister Rekha Gupta in a few hours from now. This as the BJP is coming back to power in the national capital after 26 years. Listen in to the political reactions we have lined up for you.
ये सम्मान केवल रेखा गुप्ता का ही नहीं है, ये देश की हर बहन का, हर बेटी का सम्मान है और आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को दिल की गहराई से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
मैम, विमेन के लिए क्या
चल रहे हैं
विमेन के लिए क्या कहेंगी? विमेन वोटर्स के लिए जिन्होंने वोट दिया,
उनके हक की लड़ाई, उनके हक का एक एक उनका जो अधिकार है वो उन तक पहुंचे, ये मेरी प्राथमिकता रहेगी।
Thank you, ma'am. So, in fact, this was Rekha Gupta with us exclusive on NDTV. She is, in fact, the CM-elect, and she's saying that for women, certainly that will be a priority.
मैं निश्चित रूप से अपनी पूरी क्षमता, पूरी योग्यता, पूरी ईमानदारी के साथ में अपनी जिम्मेवारी निभाऊंगी।
In the morning you told me that you're a simple girl from Haryana. How is this simple girl from Haryana feeling now?
एक सवाल करो यार।
मैंने बताया ना कि मुझे बहुत गौरव महसूस हो रहा है, प्राउड फील कर रही हूँ मैं कि देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी ने देश की बेटी को जो मौका दिया है वो अपने आप में एक महत्वपूर्ण काम है और उनकी जो अपेक्षाएं मुझसे है मैं निश्चित रूप में उन्हें पूरा करूंगी।
How do we see the next 5 years from you?
हो गया भाई।
Next 5 years from you.
दादा आप एक सवाल करोगे तो हो जाएगा।
दिल्ली का एक नया अध्याय, एक स्वर्णिम अध्याय शुरू होने वाला है जिसमें डेवलपमेंट होगी, विकास होगा और दिल्ली के
एक सवाल बोलो यार।
वासियों के जो अधिकार है वो उन्हें मिलेंगे।
That was Rekha Gupta, the new Chief Minister of Delhi, the 4th woman CM of Delhi, speaking to NDTV exclusively. With camera person Prem Singh, this is Tanushka Datta for NDTV. I'm currently being joined by Rekha Gupta's husband here. Sir, of course you must be very swelling with pride at this point. But tell us how you're feeling.
सब लोग बहुत खुश हैं, बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं। सब जो है मोदी जी की जय जयकार हो रही है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की जय जयकार हो रही है। सब वही सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए इकट्ठे हुए हैं और रेखा जी का इंतजार कर रहे हैं।
आपको कैसा लग रहा है कि योर वाइफ इज नाउ द 4th चीफ मिनिस्टर, वुमन चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ दिल्ली?
सभी अभी बहुत खुश हैं, सब एक्साइटेड हैं। अभी जो है कोई भी ना, सबका किसी का दिमाग सब एंजॉय के मूड में।